Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create 3-order levels. Let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create 3-order levels, let's talk about the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to tell us when it's time to order more items to keep our inventory stocked and running smoothly. So first, accessing back office. So you go into the back office. So we're already here in the back office. So you can log in your username and your password and click this login. So go to in the items inventory and locate these reorder levels. So we're here already in reorder levels. So I will discuss is what is all about of this. So first, you can search the item or item code, for example, fries. Yeah, so you can type the fries, enter. So we have a fries right now, the location, the truck inventory, store inventory, warehouse inventory, and the quantity on hand, reorder level, and group name. So I will discuss what is the meaning of this. So location means where the item inventory is kept, like warehouse or store, like truck. And the quantity on hand means how many items are currently in stock. So this reorder level you can put there. Uh, means reorder level means you can put there how much, like for example, 50. Then the stock inventory is 50. Then the warehouse 0. Then next, the group name of the item. If the item is fries, it belongs to the frozen food. We'll type the group name is frozen food. So you can type the frozen food, like category name of this frozen food. Or we're ready. A group name. So click this update. Once the update is complete and any addition has been made. So click this update. So where reorder level has been updated. So our reorder levels in the items fries ball 2 is updated right now. So this is the process on how to create reorder levels.